Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I wanted to create this video because I want to know who are having difficulty in getting jobs. Is it freshers or is it experience? Is it advanced experience or is it super experience? I have ran this poll in the LinkedIn and I got to know a lot of interesting votes for this, and I did some sort of survey on my end in LinkedIn, and I talked with a couple of recruiters as well. Guys, 42% of the people says that getting a job as a fresher is difficult, and 19% of the people states that getting a job as experienced of 1 to 5 years are difficult, and getting a job at advanced experience of 5 to 12 years of experience is difficult, and 25% of the people mentioned super experience like 12 plus years or having difficulty in getting jobs. So I'll start with what exactly happens in that four different levels of experience, and why people are having difficult to get jobs, and what is the perspective of the companies when they want to hire a person with some sort of experience. So let us jump and talk about the freshers. So why freshers are having difficulty in getting jobs? Why these people have 42% of the people posted to get a job as a fresher is very difficult, because the first point is they are newbies. They recently completed their graduation, and they come up with lot of expectations when they want to work in a IT field or in any new company. Like they would be having expectations like great packages and good packages, and their lack of skills. Let's say, if just assume you are a student, you are a recent graduate, and when you are going to attend for an interview, if it is in software company, they will ask you about your recent project. So I don't think 100% of the people are doing their projects, but most of the 90% of the people are buying the projects from some XYZ institute, and they are showing it in their college, and they are completing their graduation. That is one thing. When it comes to some sort of work you have done, you don't have any sort of experience, at least in your project work. So that is the reason one. And the second thing is, just freshers, think of yourself, how many hours did you spend to learn something like a programming or like an algorithms, and some like a real time experience. I don't think so. You people have put enough effort, but I don't think 100% of the people are like that. Like up to 15 to 20% people are going to invest their time on learning some new technologies like programming, algorithms, or participating in some quizzes or competitions. And the third thing is, for freshers, most of the freshers don't know where to apply for the jobs. They immediately post their resumes into some job portal websites like Naukri or some Monster, Shine. So you are just going to post your resume there, and freshers will expect to get calls from HRs directly. But in real time, it won't happen until and unless you have a great portfolio and you have some sort of great skills. And the fourth thing is, for every fresher it is difficult to get a job in the IT, because whenever you are going to answer questions of whatever the HR or the interviewer asks, you don't think for about the future. You just instantly tell them that what you are feeling and how is it going on. And most of the freshers have some unrealistic expectations. So these are the causes that freshers are having difficulty in getting the jobs. But if you are going to use your time wisely and invest your time on some learning algorithms, so it would be better. And uh, and for every fresher, I'm telling you, you should invest your time in learning some new skills, new technologies, what company wants, not what you studied in the college, or not what you gained in the college. So this is the reason you are having some difficulties. And let's jump into the next people, experienced people, 1 to 5 years of experience. So these people also having some sort of difficulties when they want to get a job. Like, let's say if you have only 1 year of experience, so most of the people, to start their career into something, they will start doing a job. But what happens is, after 6 months or 1 year of time, they wants to change their position or transition from one role to another. So let's say if someone is working in a customer support department, they want to work in they want to work into a product development team, or some engineering team, or some cyber security team. So most of the people would think about transitioning their career into some new some another department or another skills. So that is where people would be having difficulties, and I believe those are the 19% people who are having difficulties. And next thing is advanced experience. So usually these people will get a job easily. I will tell you why. Because the first thing is, they are working on only one technology from long time, or also if they are worked on 3 years in one technology, like in support, and once they moved into the development after 3 years of experience, and they'll work for another 4 to 5 years, and total cumulative experience would be 7 years, and they will they will showcase it as they are into the development from long time. So that is how these people have some soundtrack, some great track into in only one technology, and they are experts, they have their expertise in a specific technology. So that is how it will make them easy to get a job, and they know lot of things more than a fresher or experienced person. And next thing is super experience. Why super experienced people also having difficulty in getting jobs? Just let's assume a simple scenario. So super experienced people are someone who are either a manager level or more than a manager level. So for every company, there is some sort of hierarchy, like from C level, next VPs, next directors, next managers, and next team leads, and next associate level employees. And in between them, some people fall under individual contributors. I recommend people want to be independent contributors, because it's an awesome experience. And for super experienced people, it is difficult, because if a person is having more than 12 years of experience, most probably he would be a manager or more than a manager. So for every manager, there would be some either 3 or 4 team leads, and under them up to 50 people employees. So for every 70 people, there should be one manager. So let's say if a company having like 500 employees, then there would be need of only 10 managers. Understand? So they don't need for every 20 people, they don't need a manager. So for every 50 people, one manager is enough. When it comes to a VP or assistant VP, director or VP, whoever it may be, so for one VP, there should be like 4 to 5 managers. So in that case, for every 200 employees, there would be one VP, if I'm not wrong. So for, let's say if a company is having like 5,000 employees, like 20 VPs are enough for the entire company. So this is where people are getting difficult in getting their jobs. And if you are into C level, the company has only one CEO, one CTO, and only single level. These roles are like only 10 roles would be in the company which falls under C level. So this is the information that I want to share with you guys. So please do comment in the comment section if I missed something or my assumptions are wrong. I believe this would be a useful information for you. And yeah, if you found my information helpful, please do like, share and comment the video, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And just wanted to give a note, I am sharing a lot of jobs and jobs related information on my channel. Feel free to subscribe so that you cannot miss any jobs. And thank you for having me here. Thank you for watching the video, guys. See you again. Until then, take care. Bye bye.